In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer your WordPress site from one hosting to another hosting. So this is the first hosting, which is actually a WordPress folder, as you can see over here. So this is the cPanel of this website, and this is the cPanel of this website. This website does not have any file, as you can see. This is a brand new website, and if we go to the cPanel of the first website, you can see, if you scroll down, here we have to open the file manager and php my admin. So here we have to uh, download the folder. As you can see, WordPress here, and this folder is actually shown here, and the database behind here, this website, is here. So this is the website of database of this website. Since uh, this website takes a lot of memory, so it will not be free for if we transfer this with the help of plugin. So first of all, we have to select this folder and click on compress. Then zip archive, select this one and compress files. So it will take a while and then it will be zipped. So now just close this, and if you scroll down, you will see here we have wordpress.zip. So just double click on it and it will be start downloading, and wait for this file to be downloaded. Then go to the database. Here you will see option of export. First of all, select the database, WordPress, and then click on export. Just simply click on export here. Now the database is also being downloaded. As you can see, it has been downloaded. Now just cross this tab, we don't need this, and this one too. So as you can see, the zip file and SQL database has successfully been downloaded on our device. If you go to your download folders, you have both. Now we have to upload this on our second website, which is, you can see, is totally empty. If you click on upload here and then click on select file, you have to select this one and select, no, you do not have to upload database here. Just wait for this to until it is fully uploaded. Meanwhile, you have to go to on this page to create a database first, so that we can upload that previous database. So let's give a name to this database and click on create database. Now go back, and now you have to scroll down to create a user. For user, you have to give a same name to that, like I will give this name, and then you have to set the password. So after setting the password, you have to click on create user, and then you have to remember this password to write. You can just create update password here and then go back. So now you have to connect user and database. So this has already been selected. If there are multiple, you have to choose both and click on add here. So here you have to click on all privileges and then make changes, and after that the user and the database both are connected, you can see here. So now the database has been created. Now the next step is to go to your PHP My Admin panel, and for that first of all go to cpanel of your website. Now we'll click on PHP My Admin, and here you can see this new database has been created. So now we simply have to click on import, and then here we have an option to choose file. Click on it, and then you have to upload the SQL file. So now click on import, and it will take a while. After a while the database will be uploaded successfully. So here you can see import has been successfully finished. So all the tables are here, and then you have to select WP options. So here you will see these URL. So you have to change these URLs with your new website URL. So I will copy this and paste it here, and here as well. Okay, that's it. So you also can change your email if you want to, and yeah, these are the all changes you have to make with the database, and then cross this. So now as you can see, this zip file is uploaded, and cross this one. And now if you click on public HTML, you can see there is a wordpress.zip file. So now we need to extract this one. So click extract and extract files. So as you can see, these all are extracted in this WordPress folder. So you have to select, just press shift and click the last one, and after selecting all these you have to click on move, and now you have to set the directory public HTML here, so this website will be directly accessed in public HTML. So now this WordPress folder is now empty. You just simply delete this, and we also do not need this wordpress.zip because we have extracted this one, so we will delete this one also. So now I think it is done. If we refresh this page, so there is actually a database error. So first of all you have to go to config wp config.php. Here you have to click on edit, and it will redirect you on this page. So now you have to write here the name of your database that you have created earlier. So you can see this is the name of database. Just copy and paste, and you also have to paste it on user as well. And now you have to write the password you set, and do not change anything else. So now just click on save changes. Once the changes are saved, just cross this one, and now if you refresh this, you will see that this website is successfully transferred here. And if you go to WordPress admin panel, just click WP admin. So it will ask for the password. The password here will be the same as of your previous website. So just click on login, and here your WordPress admin panel, as you can see. So yeah, that's for the video, today's video. So you can see in this video that how you can transfer your website from one hosting to another hosting. So make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.